Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make Wattpad dark mode. All right. First up, go ahead and open up the Wattpad app. Once done, go ahead and go to the top right and tap on your profile. Tap on it. And once it loads, we have the gear icon right here at the top right as well. Just go ahead and tap on it. And in here, we are in the settings menu. All right. And as you can see here under application settings, we have the dark mode. Okay. Just go ahead and tap on it. And here we have the option for off, auto, and on. All right. Just go ahead and tap on and it will be on dark mode. Okay. I'm going to show you. I'm just going to tap back and here we have the dark mode. Now, if you want to get it back to normal, like the white mode, just tap on your profile again. Again, the gear icon, and here we have the dark mode. Tap on it and hit on off. All right. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.